So when we invest so much of time in the workplace, not less than 10 hours, so bilkul bhi nahi. And if it is any kind of, it is a corporate world or it is a local business, 10 to 12 hours minimum goes. Then why is it we are not able to grow that amount? जो returns जो मिलना चाहिए ना, वो क्यों नहीं होता है? And I had my own observations and my own experiences on the entire things. I'm going to ask, may not be directly, but a lot of indirectly, a lot of subtle questions to all of you. If you don't have to give answers to me, but you have to give answers to yourself. I think that can put you in a very different orbit of growth. And it's beautiful in organization is when all of them grow, organization grows. And when organization grows, everybody also gets the benefit of it. So from that perspective, with all due respect to your work culture, with all due respect to the kind of work you would have put into all these years, but you also agree with me कि इतना घिसने के बाद में, literally अपन वही word इतना घिसने के बाद में मतलब घंटा मिलता क्या है? You still have struggled with the EMIs, struggle with a lot of things in life. Still a lot of dreams, ambitions are still not completely fulfilled. Yeah, still it is bucket list is going on growing. Bucket खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा है उसमें से. One story very big time impacted me 23 years back. I don't know the name of the characters here, but it is not important. Important is the message of the story. James Anderson, with his gang of people, he was a foreman in American Railways. He was doing some repair job. If you have ever traveled by train, you know that people will be working on the railway tracks doing some repair. So there was this James Anderson, I think that's the name, working with the gang of his people doing very hot summer of US. Suddenly one engine came with a single bogie. And the single bogie had the flag painted of US on that. It was air conditioner bogie. From inside, one voice raised, "Hey James, come in. Let's have some drink together." All the foremen, all the people who were there, shocked, because that was President of American Railways. President of American Railways knows James. James also said, "Just give me a minute, coming," and winded up the whole thing, and it goes inside. These people only could hear from outside laughter and some celebration, drinks, nice lunch and everything. Close to 1 hour this whole thing happened. 1 hour later, James comes down from this, and the engine along with the bogie goes. "See you soon, see you soon." All these people are zapped. President of American Railways knows you. Yeah. Jim Murphy, he knows you. Yeah. 1-to-1. Yeah. How come? James Anderson says, 20 years back, we both ran away from our village, come to US, come to New York to work here. Then what happened? Said 20 years back we both ran away from village to work. And today he is president of American Railways and he is still a foreman. Senior only, but foreman only. What difference is there? James Anderson would say, 20 years back when we ran from the village, I came to work for $20 per week. Jim came to work for American Railways. That made all the difference. I came to work for $20 per week, and Jim came to work for American Railways. That made all the difference. For me, it was to get $20 per week, then how it will become $30, how it will become $40. That was running in my mind all the time. So that is how I grew, that is how I worked. And he only wanted to work for American Railways. And that speaks everything about it. The question that I asked myself was the same thing only. Am I working for salary? Or am I working for my company? Question which I have to very subtly put in their head is this. What are you working for? that will define the content of this place, that will define the quality of your work in this place, that will define where will you reach and how far will you reach. What are you working for? That X rupees per month, or you're working for grassroots? When you're working for grassroots, this doesn't make sense. Then it doesn't come in the picture. Like a typical old time story, all those Arjuna, Pandavas and Kauravas were practicing, and Dronacharya will ask, Yudhishthira, what can you see? I can see the tree, I can see the plants, I can see the leaves, I can see the branch, and I can see the eye of the bird. Duryodhana, what can you see? Oh, he can see whole jungle also. In that I can also somewhere see this. Arjuna, what can you see? I can only see eye of the bird. Shoot. So when you work for that purpose, whatever it may be in your mind, this place has given me the platform, no? If this place has given me the platform, when all of us came, I'm going to talk both. I'm going to talk as an employee also, as an employer also, because I've been on both the sides. When I joined an organization, when all of us came to looking for a job, the kind of humility, the humbleness, yes sir, don't worry sir, I'll give my best. Yeah, I think this is how everybody spoke. Nobody can say no. I said, I'll see the work and then I'll decide kya karna. All of us, yes sir, yes sir, yes. Because that platform gave you to express yourself. Then where something goes wrong, God knows. I know where it goes, but most of us don't know where it goes wrong. Because suddenly then there is, I can't work here. This is not fair, really. Which means if you would have come to that place, this is the place which has given me a place to perform, place to express. Baki cheez se kya matlab hai? What does it matter who comes when, who does what, who gossips, who kya, kiska, koi, then it is only. For me, it's very important in life. I'll tell you for 100 reasons I can give you for this. Who gives you everything is God. Who is God? People ask me, and I'm a very practical man. I don't go into this Aham Brahmasmi and the whole universe is God. A simple thing. Who gives you everything is your God. Small child. You have a little child in the house, right? Little girl is in the house. Who gives everything to her? God or you and your family? You give or somebody else gives? Difficult question.
Yeah.
You give. You have a daughter, right? 20-year-old. All that she has got is from whom? You and your family, right? You, your wife, जो भी है. हाँ, शकुंतला आपको जो भी मिला है कहाँ से मिला है? मम्मी पापा से. Yeah, initial time. Who gives you everything is your God. You want to argue, you can argue with me. I don't care a damn about Rama, Krishna, Allah, Christ. I don't care about them. They did not give me anything. जन्म तो उन्होंने दिया ना, उसके लिए मैं बहुत थैंक यू बोलते हैं उसको. Who gives you everything is your God. That's nothing to debate on here. And if you want to debate, I am ready to debate the whole time with you. I can tell you very clearly. My son told me once. My friends are very important. I told him, सारे चड्डी, बनियान, shirt, pant, जूता सब मैंने दिए. If you overlook any one of us in the house and for somebody else, ये सब उतार के रास्ते पे नंगा खड़ा कर देगा तेरे को. Then let me see which friend will come and take care of you for lifetime. I'm okay with it. Fair enough. Who gives you everything is शकुंतला. आपको रोटी खास आती है?
मम्मी बनाती है.
आती खास है?
पापा के पंचे से.
हाँ, तो यहाँ पे तुम फ्री में काम करते हो?
यहाँ की बात कर, मेरे काम से, कंपनी से।
कंपनी से रोटी है, कपड़ा
अपने पगार से आता है।
पगार कहाँ से आता है?
कंपनी से आता है।
कंपनी से आता है। घर
कंपनी से आता है।
कंपनी से आता है। Everything for you come from the company. Which company?
Grassroots.
Oh, then who is your God?
Grassroots.
Nothing to discuss. Who gives you everything is your God. When I was a small child, my dad and mom gave me everything that I wanted. Everything means every damn thing I wanted, my dad and mom gave me. Even if I went to God and said, God, I want one toy, God told, Papa se puch le. Or if I got very ego, Papa, मैं भगवान से मांगूंगा, भगवान से मांग ले. Am I making sense to you? थोड़ा सा offbeat teacher है मैं, but I make sense. So 2 beggars were there in the masjid, and Badshah will also come to same place to pray namaz के time पे. 2 beggars will pray. So left hand beggar, right side beggar. Left side beggar will pray. या अल्लाह, तूने बादशाह को बहुत दिया है, मुझे भी कुछ दे. राइट साइड बेगर विल से, या बादशाह, अल्लाह ने मुझे बहुत कुछ दिया है, कुछ मुझे भी दो. You got the point? So बादशाह is in center. बादशाह is praying, पीछे बैठा है. Left hand fellow tells, या अल्लाह, you have given a lot to the बादशाह, give me something. This guy will say, hey Badshah, Allah has given you so much, give me something. He is praying to Badshah. He is praying to, this happens almost every day, and Badshah hears the story every day. One day Badshah feels he is praying to me. He is praying to Allah, Allah will take care of him. He is praying to me, I have to take care of him. So Badshah discusses with minister what to do. Do one thing. Have a big pot, no? Put a lot of gold coins and fill it with kheer kurma. Eid aa rahi hai. Fill it with kheer kurma. All of you know kheer kurma, right? Fill it with kheer kurma and give it to the beggar who prays to. So prayer starts. At the end of the namaz, Badshah takes that pot filled with gold coin down and kheer kurma on top to the beggar who prays to him. And the prayers we say, या अल्लाह, तूने बादशाह को बहुत दिया, मुझे भी कुछ दे. या बादशाह, अल्लाह ने बहुत कुछ दिया, कुछ मुझे भी दे. So Badshah says, I'm very happy with you. Take this. And Badshah goes. He does kheer kurma, or he drinks the whole kheer kurma. Get transferred. Half is still left. He tells, Le, you are praying to Allah, nothing Allah is giving. See, I pray to Badshah, Badshah gave a full pot of kheer kurma. And half what is left, he gives it to this beggar. And the beggar takes it home, drinks and takes it home. Next day onwards, this fellow doesn't come. This fellow is still there. Badshah also still there. Badshah is, वापस आ गया. या अल्लाह, या बादशाह, अल्लाह ने बहुत कुछ दिया, कुछ मुझे भी दे. बादशाह, look at the life, look at the God's way of working. Allah gave him because he prayed to Allah. I gave him, he prayed to me. I gave him what humanly possible. He got what is divinely possible. Now that's the power of work. Because we don't have this perspective right now. That's where I think we miss it. Who gives you everything is your God. For me, I do whatever, this dressing, this clothes, that vehicle, that house, whatever I have got it from my work. I've got it from my work. God didn't give me this. With all due respect to God, okay. A poor peasant, nothing to have, no land, nothing was there. Went to the father of the church and said, dear pastor, I don't have anything, please help me out. Struggling, family is also there. Keeps requesting, begging. the pastor then talks to the village guys and says, let's do something for him. So outside of the village, one barren land is there. So they give him barren land. Okay, you do this, what do you want to do with this land? Happily he goes. Exactly 1 year later, the pastor is just going for a stroll, and he also goes till that end of the village to see what is happening with the barren land. Surprised to see that the whole land, so much of crop is there, it's ready to harvest. He called the farmer and says, what a brilliant grace of God. God has really blessed you with such amazing crop, amazing harvest will come. You will again live a very beautiful life. Farmer said, hello, don't bring God here. 1 year back, where was your God? This land was barren, and this land was barren for ages together. That time, where was your God? I put my heart, soul, sweat, blood on this soil for the last 1 year. And that's how it has come. So don't give complete credit to God. And people say, yeah. And does that make sense? Who gives you everything is your God. Now if work gives you everything, married? No, married. Aapka to ho gaya. Now if she is going to go for an alliance, her father mother क्या पूछेंगे? लड़का लड़का काम क्या करता है? लड़का काम क्या करता है? अल्टीमेटली तो दिखता कैसा है, लंबा है, चौड़ा है, नाटा है, मोटा है, उससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता, लड़का करता क्या है? So you will get your husband also because of one work only. Which school your child will go? From where the money will come? बैंक से आता, EMI कौन देगा? Everything come from one place called work. No, what gives you, who gives you everything is your God. People ask me, can you show me God? I can show you. I can show you. Working God. Work is God. And if you are not able to understand this and relate with this, forget it. A lot of people unknowingly, unintentionally must be doing what I am talking to you in terms of a concept, in terms of giving words to it. But the truth is, all those people who made it big in life or who had made, they realized this. Because going to be little hard lessons for few of you, to straight questions on your face. But truth is this: if you go to place of worship, whether it is church or it is temple or it is mosque or any place of worship which you go, will you give the best coconut, best flowers, fresh flowers, or stale is also okay?
Best ones.
Best one. जो भी है, will you negotiate the bargaining? ये अच्छा है, भगवान को देना. क्यों? भगवान को चढ़ाना. I have to offer this to my God, I have to offer this to my Lord, and it has to be the best. Why? It's my Lord. Why? It gives me everything. जो मांगो भगवान से मिलता है, तो I want to give best. So do we take bath? कितना भी ठंडा रहने दो. If you want to go to temple, church, mosque, wherever, you will take bath, nice clothes, best dress, best flowers, best coconut, best thali, pura. And whose coconut? In Vedas they ask, whose flowers are you offering to whom? Whose flowers? His flowers. Offering to whom only? Asking for grace. Only human beings can do that. So because you wear best dress, best everything because it is your God, then I strongly believe work is my God. Then my best dress is only for my work. My best dress is for my work, my best shoes, my best everything is because my work is my God. I'm going to offer to my God. I can only offer to my God is my work, then it will be the best. I'll tell you what happens. Most people reserve their best dress for one function. Which function? Where you don't even know who's getting married to whom. Your best dress, best shoes, best look is for people who have nothing to do with your life and my life. They are my relatives. The relatives who are there of yours, if you have to do anything for them, you will do it from where? Work only. You want to give them the gift, money will come from the work only, right? So even those people, everything which happens only because of work. I never understood this philosophy of people that you will come, whatever dress is available. I remember somebody coming to the office in sleepers. I told him, next time if I see you with sleepers in the office, a place which gives you everything in life, a sleeper and your head, and my hand, then you might think I'm a very arrogant person, I'm okay with it. You don't treat your place of worship like that. I wear my best dress, best shoes, best stole, best look only in the workplace. Because that is my God. Let me tell you guys, how much grace I have got from my work. Ultimately is that only. Work is the only salvation. We are not Jnana Yogis, intellectuals, nor we are Bhakti Yogis, full time. अपने से वो भी नहीं होता है. हट्टे योगा हटाओ अपने से बिल्कुल नहीं होगा. How many of you put one पद्मासन अटक जाएगा उसमें अपन लोग. हट्टे योगा. हट. What is left is karma yoga only, right? The only liberation you and me will get only is through work. And my work will always get the best of me. कुछ भी हो जाए, anything happens. I have never taken a holiday in my life because my health was not okay. Why? Yesterday I went for a party, my stomach upset. Why did you go to party? And if you go to the party, you should be careful that you should eat properly because tomorrow your work will. That party is over now. So everybody else get to see the best of you. And those people who really matters to you, the place which really matters to you, shouldn't it be getting the best? Because we want best in life. But boss, every action will have equal and opposite reaction. If you don't give your best, how do you expect best to come? See, dressing is only example because you can relate with it. But it's true with your thoughts, it's true with your attitude, it's true with your skill, it's true with your competence, it's true with everything in life. I have whatever I have, I will give to my work. तेरा वजूद तेरे काम से है, is what I strongly believe. You like Tendulkar not because he looks very fair. You don't like Tendulkar because he has big so many cars. You don't like Tendulkar because he has such a beautiful house. You like Tendulkar because of his work. You don't have respect for Amitabh Bachchan just because of his height or voice. Not because he has his 1,000 crores worth. No, you look up to Amitabh Bachchan because performance. Back to back. Then this is true with everybody. Somehow हमको समझ में नहीं आता. 12th August 1992 was my first day on the work. With what excitement I went to that work, that day. Even today, it was 30 years, 3 decades later, even today morning when I started for this club session, I said, wow, same excitement. Difference is, for some ऐसा था अभी ऐसा है. Same excitement. Because I have got everything from, I remember 2008, I bought a small land parcel in Hormao, and my maid servant wanted to have a place to live. So you go and stay there. They built a small house by themselves. It was only an investment for me. So my maid servant, house help, and her parents were staying there, mother. So I just happened to once go for a long drive from here to Hormao, and evening I went. So the old lady was there. The moment she saw me, she said, आपके सर पे भगवान का हाथ है. आपके सर पे भगवान का हाथ है. I said, Auntie, with all due respect to God and you, ये हाथ पहले कहा था. When I was going on cycle, when I lost my father, when I was absolutely on the roads with my family, You did not even know when the next square meal will come. उस समय भगवान भी करता. God has one problem. और प्रॉब्लम नहीं बोलता है, ट्रिक बोलता है. God has one trick. Those of you, I don't know, you don't, I will assume you don't do gambling. But let's say you go to a race course and you have to bet on the horse. On which horse will you bet? Losing horse or winning horse?
Yes.
All of you will bet on winning horse. If you and me as ordinary people, when we do this homework, 20 of them or 8 of them are going to run. Which is the most capable one? Yeah? इसमें पैसा लगाओ. क्यों? तुम जीतोगे. गॉड भी कुछ ऐसे ही करता है. तो देखा मेरे को, बचपन से देख रहा कुछ नहीं, वेस्ट है. 27 years का बाद में something happened to me and this guy, oh, somebody is emerging. लगता है ये लंबी रेस का घोड़ा है, लगता है ये जीतने वाला घोड़ा है. चलो इस पे हाथ रख देते हैं. नाम किसका बड़ा होगा? बदमाश है वो. You have heard about Mahabharata, right? One character of Krishna is there. Krishna stood by whose side? Arjuna's side. Why? He was the best. Because Krishna knew if he goes to Duryodhana's side, he also will get killed. And he will be on the losing side. Now, भगवान के होते तुम हार गए. नाम कैसा खराब होगा? भगवान का. बड़ा गेम चालू कर दिया कृष्णा. Krishna means conspirator number 1. He told Duryodhana when they came to meet, one Yaduvanshi Sena is there, all weapons, everything you take, I will not even pick up a blade in the war. Without weapon I will come. This is one option, or my entire Yadav Sena with all the weapons, all the armory at one disposal. Duryodhana, इसको क्या करने लेके? I will take the whole thing. You will be safe. Arjuna, Krishna asked Arjuna. He has taken everything. I won't even fight. What do you say? Arjuna said, what else I will want if not for you? You on my side enough. It plays both the sides. But Krishna was smarter of everybody because he knows if he goes that side, this can be more lucky. He'll be on the losing side. So God also bets on the winning horse. So if you people say, lot of people है, आपके तो जबान पे सरस्वती है. पहले जब मैं माँ बहने करता था सबकी तभी कौन सी मायावती? I spoke. Honestly telling you, I also grew like all of us only, no. वो बचपन से वाडिया कॉलेज and all those colleges पूना बिना तेजा मायला हेजा मायला ये full time गाली गलौज निकलते तभी सरस्वती. After I started really working on my speeches, my talks, my thoughts, my emotions, and I realized, then सरस्वती बोली अच्छा बात कर रहा है, चलो अपना brand बढ़ाते हैं. Then she came and started my tongue, and today this tongue speaks my God. Even I also sometimes feel like, क्या बात किया मैंने? Oh, super. I tell Saraswati, you're performing well, man, it's good. God also graces who is the best. What's your name?
Shantanu.
Shantanu. Who gives name to you?
My mom did.
Mom. You did not give. Body, God gave. Job, they gave. Correct? Girl, somebody else gave. If you are married. कोई तो दिया तेरे को. If your children's sperm, he gave. You tell, no, what is yours? Purely yours. You can say, ये मेरा है. You say, बेटा मेरा, the baby आ जाएगी. Baby. तेरा है, मैं क्या किया? Or if you say, now you tell me a single thing that's yours. Name, somebody gave me. Body, God gave me. Childhood, somebody gave me. Language, teacher taught me. All mathematics, calculation, all my life somebody kept giving me. मेरा क्या है? मेरा कुछ भी नहीं है ना. That flowers in the temple or place of worship, मेरा नहीं है, वो उसका. कोकोनट उसका है, लीव्स उसका है, द थ्रेड वो भी उसका है, कॉटन ऑल्सो, एवरीथिंग इज हिज, नथिंग इज माइन. बट द वे आई विल वीव दैट ब्यूटिफुल गार्लैंड, that work alone is mine. That work alone is mine. Everything else is somebody else's. This place they have rented out. Systems they have bought. All technical knowledge, whatever you people have, IT industry, software, जो भी तुमको आता है, somebody taught you. Place to sit, somebody gave you. Education, somebody gave you. Everything is given by somebody. What is yours is going to be when you sit in that place in front of a system or in front of an ego. जो भी कर, that work, which technology to bring, which platform to bring, which resource to bring, and assembling everything with your creativity, with your intelligence to create something out of that, that alone is yours, right? And that is the only thing that is yours, and that is your entity. Nothing else. We are from Jainism. You did Jainism. Mahavira said, Tirthankars did it. What was your contribution? हम लोग जानने के लिए मराठा है. तूने क्या किया? तू वहां पे पैदा हो गया बस. तूने क्या किया? Bangalore, we are Bangalore city of gardens. Which plant you planted? We plucked few. Plantation तो कुछ किया नहीं हमारे से हुआ. So what is yours and mine is mine. See, somebody taught me, somebody groomed me, somebody taught me how to speak, somebody taught me. Everything was taught to me. Nothing I know. Which story, which metaphor, what intensity, what voice modulation, ये सब कब क्या लेके आके एक टॉक देना. This only is mine. Everything else is something else, somebody else's. मेरा तो सिर्फ काम है. मर जाएगा तो भी सिर्फ क्या रह जाएगा, काम रह जाएगा, राइट? Nobody will remember you for your looks or a family background. They still remember Mahatma Gandhi, freedom. Mother Teresa, unconditional service. Jesus Christ, he taught how to forgive people. Love your God, don't be scared of your God. Mahavira, live and let live. Oh, we all are remembered in the world only for what work we do. And if that is going to be only mine, Baki everything is somebody else's, then how should you work? That is what inspires me. Mine is going to be only work now. It has to be class apart. Then it can be anything. It can be your programming, whichever role you play, whichever portfolio is given to you or whatever. For me, it's my teaching. Then that only is going to be mine now. That will be the best because my work is my God. Because it gives me everything. You have called me here, or okay, I have myself brought it myself here. It's because of my work only, no? Not because you like my hairstyle. But उसको बुलाओ क्या hater है उसका यार. You don't call me for my looks. You don't call me here. Nobody gives me anything for who I am, what I do. तेरा वजूद तेरे काम से है. Your identity in your life will remain only because of you. Because of your work. And if that is only you, you are nothing but all put together years and years of what work you have created. If it is shabby work, then your identity is shabby. If you are lousy work, your identity is lousy. Your work is phenomenal. You are a phenomenal person. Your work has been brilliant. You are a brilliant person. Your work has been zero defect. You are a zero defect person. That is you. You are nothing but your work. If that everybody understand, then you look at the way the work takes care of you. Ask anybody in my world, if my health is not okay, the best thing for me is send me to work. Sometime I'll be lying in the bed, it will help, not okay. Then you can stop the live, I said. Going on speaking, because okay. If you guys are enjoying, continue watching. So I was once little not keeping well while lying down. Vaishali is my wife. She is another sample in my life. Big character. So she'll keep doing her work. Come, go, come, go. He did not come and sit with me. My mom, माँ का दिल है ना अपने में. So वो कर रहा है. She got upset. And mothers-in-law wait for a chance like that. पकड़ के मारना है ना, you go really find one fault. अरे आके bad. Your husband is sick. See how much he is struggling. Sick. Give medication. कुछ तो करो. At least हाथ पाँव दबा दो उसका. After this, any woman will come and sit. She's still coming and going. Tang, tong, tang. सुना के क्या बोल रही है मैं? Did you hear what I am saying? Give some attention to him now. Vaishali, still walking. Attention. Bring 10 people from outside. He'll उठ के बैठ के बात करने चल पड़े. Just bring 10 people from outside. This fellow will start giving lecture to everybody. And you want me to give attention to him? Let him write down like that. She knows. If there is work, health doesn't matter. कुछ भी नहीं. I can be any amount of bad. I mean, right now I told 24th day today. Not slept. Yesterday I slept at 12:30. Got up by 4 o'clock, and then not slept. But I want to talk to all of you. I have seen people. Now I am like X-Men. You know, X-Men. पूरा energy खेल लेता है. But now this is what, because I know this is the only thing which is me, right? Now when I go back from here, you will not talk about my dressing, my looks. You will talk about point. Okay, जो भी. You talk about only my work, right? And I want you to know this, and I want to drive into each one of your mind. Forget everything. Who's sitting this side, who's sitting that side, who's the boss there. I'll tell you, I'm the boss where I work. That's how I should introduce myself to a dealer for Tata Steel, working for somebody. So when Tata Steel has Sea Princess Hotel Mumbai had the annual meeting, sales meeting. I also went with my boss. My boss is the owner. Now, but I work like crazy. So the RSM was there, Sanjeev Sinha. So I introduced him. Sir, he's the owner of my company. He said, I didn't understand. Sir, he's the owner of my company. Can you explain? No, you can't understand. Even if I'm playing, we'll make cricket team. I will be captain. If I am not the captain, suppose he's the captain, I'll say, he's the captain of my team. Now clarity is there. Even if I join grassroots, it will be they are the partners of my company. I will not say he is MD, I am working like one sales manager here. No, this is my company. मैं बैठ गया तो मेरा मंदिर और काम मेरी पूजा. Then for me doesn't matter. बाकी लोग हैं ना, they are there. You heard about this lady called M.S. Subbulakshmi? Legend in Carnatic Classic. Music Academy, Chennai. She's supposed to give a concert. Is it okay? We can discuss for some more time, no? The attention span of people is very less. Because to see people opening like one crocodile in front of me. See, for me, you have to see only one person. I have to see 25-30 people in this hall right now. And when 1-2 of them, and it is very contagious, 3-4, to maintain my motivation level after seeing people yawning is like, but then I say, oh, work is worship, work is worship, work is worship. M.S. Subbulakshmi was supposed to give a concert in Music Academy Chennai. She got delayed somewhere because of traffic jam. So public were already there, and this is legendary. They waited for some time, but then some commotion was happening there. So the manager told her, when this new girl was there, who was on the harmonium there, as they are all sings there, all of them are musicians only. Can you keep them busy with something? Okay. So she started on singing one bhajan. She was melodious. She was truly melodious. Entire auditorium was in pin drop silence. And she completed the whole thing, bhajan, and everybody just clapped, non-stop clapping for this new girl on the dais. She felt thankful and she sang. And by the time she finished, M.S. Subbulakshmi came. M.S. Subbulakshmi does not know what doesn't happen. She comes, she sits down, put the mic, take the harmonium and starts singing the same bhajan. Same bhajan. and she starts singing the same bhajan and she is lost. And there is an absolute euphoria in the auditorium. Tears trickling down off everybody's eyes. The whole bhajan got over and nobody clapped, nobody moved, nothing happened. And she just got up from the concert and she was walking through the audience going back. On a corner, one senior gentleman was sitting down there. He got up from there, ran to this young girl and spoke. You also sang the same bhajan. MS also sang the same bhajan. When you sang, it was melodious. We all clapped for you. Very beautiful it was. Same bhajan MS also sang. And it was euphoric. We all had tears in our eyes out of devotion. What difference was there between both of us singing? It seemed the girl said, I knew the lyrics. She knew Narayana himself. I sang for you. She sang for Narayana. That's the difference. The man ran to MS Subbulakshmi as she was walking back. Said, MS, thank you for such amazing experience. Thank you for such a beautiful bhajan you sang. MS Subbulakshmi, still walking. Who gave you the feeling I sang for you? When I came and sat down there, I saw my Narayana standing there. I sang for him. Singing for him was incident. You happened to be there is an accident. And she went. That's how you work. They forget. You talk Sachin Tendulkar. He'll go touch the sand. Nothing he sees. Even if he's seeing the entire boundary, entire team, that is a skill. But after that, he's oblivious to 60,000 people in the audience. What he only sees is the ball and the bowler, and that's it. And then you go into that, they call it as a zone. And that is what he does on every time. That is what every champion does it. It is a field of sports or music or politics or anything you take, including work. When you start your day in the morning, work doesn't start when you enter the office place. Work starts when you start for the office. Already chalu ho gaya. Tan, and you just get inside. Now it is, if you have to come in the office and find your workstation, and then you go into the chair, and then you sit on your chair, and then say, hey, do coffee, lege na badabat, and then you go and say, bhul jao. It won't happen. It won't happen. You should forget everybody. Who is the boss? If I am working, I am the boss. I'm the boss of my work. Yeah. Hierarchically, सब चलता रहता है. The day you start looking at work like that, take it from me. I have seen myself and few more people. Just the way they work, they got everything in life. Everything. Just by my work, I have gone through. I discuss with all of you. Share with. I have gone through every possible hiccups in life, relationship loss, health loss, financial loss, yes, everything. And my teacher told me only one thing. Because work is the only salvation. Anything happens, go to work. Health not okay, go to work. Relationship issue, go to work. Financial issue, go to work. Social issue, go to work. And once you get into work, it resolves everything. Work is the only salvation. For people like you and me, Jnana Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Hatha Yoga, apne se nahi hoga. Only thing for us is Karma Yoga. And when you start looking at work like that, with that intensity and with that passion, then one point comes when the singer is singing with so much of intensity, only singing happens. There is no singer. When dancer dances with so much of intensity and involvement, there is no more dancer, only dancing happens. A time comes when the learning happens so intensely that there is no learner, only learning happening. Times when I get into the zone and teach with so much of intensity, there is no teacher, only teaching happens. There is no processor, only process happens. And the beauty of life is, processor can make a mistake. Process cannot make a mistake. The player can make a mistake. Playing cannot make a mistake. Singer can make a mistake. Singing cannot make a mistake. Dancer can make a mistake. Dancing cannot make a mistake. You work in that zone. And that can be done every day, provided you have that perspective towards work, right? Then it is magic. And how you are compensated in life is crazy. Like crazy, you cannot even imagine. And you take it from me. Because we come from the world where if I want to do this job profile, this many working hours, then you have to pay me this much salary. You start from there. It is the most immature way of looking at work. I want to work. My belief system is like this. मैं पैसे के लिए काम नहीं करता हूँ, काम करता हूँ इसलिए पैसा आता है. दोनों में काम करना पड़ता है, लेकिन पहले क्या दिमाग में आता है, पैसा या काम. If money comes first when you work, money will not come. Money won't chase you, you have to chase the money. But when you want to work, then money comes. पैसे के लिए धंधा नहीं करना है, धंधा करने के लिए पैसा चाहिए. And then look at the way money chases you. When you work for money, money will not come. When you work because you want to work, you have something to offer that is yours completely, then everything chases you. Name, fame, money, everything chases you. I have not chased anybody. This is the smallest session I have done in my life. My programs are like 1,000 people, 2,000 people, 5,000 people, 7,000 people, and I have not done. I chase my work, and everybody chases me, and everything chases me, and I take it from me. I'm a classic testimony of work. And you want that lifestyle, whatever you want in life, your God will give. Your God is capable of giving you everything, provided you know it is their God. My problem is we don't think this is God. We think this is a burden. काम करना Monday morning do. Friday evening, thank God it is Friday. Tum, 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 like penguin we go. Monday morning, drag like in polar bear. This attitude is there, boss bull job. See, all this what I spoke for last 60-65 minutes make no sense to anybody. But when you understand this, then life is a different pedestal altogether. And you know, you at least using it's a kuch bhi khas nahi mere mein. No talents, no skill. I can't do 100 things in my life, but I only work. But the way I work, nobody, I don't know. You can do anything with my life. I don't have issue. Anybody fiddles with my work, मैं तो फाड़ देता है, फिर कोई भी रहने दो. Because I know it's my God. Nobody comes between me and my God. And that's how I treat my work as my God. Because I get everything from my work. Work is my God. What are you working for? $20 per week. Are you working for American Railways? Are you working for some thousands of rupees per week or per month in grassroots? Or are you working for grassroots? And then grassroots will take care of you. Or wherever it is. It doesn't matter who you are, what you work, where you work, here or there, anywhere. But if you don't have this clarity and attitude, फिर घिसते रहेंगे. 25 साल से घिस रहा है, 30 साल से घिस रहा है, उधर का उधर ही खड़ा हुआ. Correct. I also work. Most of you have seen me working. I work morning 9 o'clock session, 10 o'clock session, 11:30 session, again 5 o'clock. Today I don't have 5 o'clock today. 7 o'clock session. And like this, in a day I do 6 programs, and I maintain the same intensity everywhere. Doesn't matter, light hai, pani hai, hai. This is intellectual understanding what I shared. The way you will emotionally feel what I am speaking, everything about life will change. Everything, but you have to feel it. See, इधर से कुछ नहीं होता. हम लोग कोई बोलता है क्या दिमाग से काम कर, क्या बोलते हैं? दिल से काम. What I am saying, it might go into your head, like Osho says, you fall in love. Till you don't fall in love, nothing can happen. It has gone into your head, good. If it goes here, very good. And it goes little or inside, soul. फिर तो God. Then you should make God helpless. मैं जाता नहीं है मंदिर बहुत पहले बोला था. पहले we will end up with this. 2011 नहीं 2014 I told to Shirdi and told. My spiritual journey began from Shirdi, so I went to Shirdi and told. भगवान, आज तक तेरे मंदिर में मन लगाया, आज तक तेरे मंदिर में मन लगाया, आज से मन में मंदिर लगाऊंगा। अब तक जितनी बार तू बोला मैं आया, आज के बाद जितनी बार मैं बोलूंगा तो जाना पड़ेगा। That's how you work. And then work becomes everything to you. मेरा काम भगवान है। To go to Shirdi also, money come from here only. That's how it is. So I think once you get that perspective where your heart also get involved, because you don't work with the mind. With the mind you can make the program, but for you to maintain that energy, that motivation for non-stop, you need emotions. जब ये बात दिल में उतर जाएगी ना, मेरा काम हो जाएगा, आपका भी हो जाएगा. Then you also will get everything in life the way I got in my life. And I don't have any background. I told you my family background. I have nothing which I can boast about. Everything is my work, and there is a power of work. I really want such a beautiful place and beautiful group of people you are. If all of you can have same synergized thought process towards work, magic is possible. Miracles are possible. And I just had a share with Abhay the other day. He told how it all started and how only two of them left and few of them just they left and they left here, and the way you have built up. Very inspirational to hear about the story, what has been gone in developing this place. You have 1,000 people working is no mean deal. And not that you people are some background of lineage of ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. Same from there. Grassroots level से ऊपर आया. I think it makes sense. I thought I'll just share with all of you what I feel for work. If it can make, even if 2-3 of you feel it's worth it. To even the entire Mahabharata, one Arjuna is enough. 100 लोग नहीं चाहिए. One Arjuna is enough. And in every session, if I can find one Arjuna, even if one of you or two of you somewhere here, I think it's worth spending time with you, but investing time. Yours also, mine also. So there, since we have anyway joined hands in whichever way we came together, I tell all of you that I'm there. Anywhere you feel you need my help in any aspect, and I'm magical. I'm really magical. Any aspect of life, physical, mental, intellectual, emotional, spiritual, social, financial, management, leadership, you name the aspect of life, including parenting, marriage, sub. Anywhere if you feel, if I can be of help, do reach out. Help will be extended to all of you. Thank you for giving this chance. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Wonderful talking to you.